Welcome, today I'm showing how to switch on or off screen touches into a screen recorder in your Samsung Galaxy F23. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find Advanced Features option. Now go into Screenshot and Screen Recorder, and here on the bottom we got Screen Recorder block, so last option in the list will be Show Taps and Touches. And now we got disabled this option, so if you tap one more time, it's activate this option. So this position of switcher like blue, it's turn on this option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.